Actually po, nasa usage po na ito, naibigay ito sa atin sa business. Kanina po.
And we need for the approval of the resolution.
I move for the approval of resolution allowing Mr. Rodriguez Shield Trust to represent as an alternate signatory objects amounting to not more than 200,000 be approved.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve the resolution allowing Mr. Rodriguez Judicial Assistant Municipal Treasurer as an alternate signatory of checks amounting to not more than 200,000 pesos. Next, Councilor Rodriguez.
Under Anasal, Madam Chair. Anasal. Pleasant morning to everyone. I have here two measures referred to the Committee on Infrastructure and Communication regarding the letter from Dr. Lovely Sotosa, our MHO, requesting for some by resolution authorizing for the construction of basic newborn care facility or PMONG Ipilan located at Sitio Proper, Barangay Ipilan, Point Palawan, in compliance with the requirements for application of DOH permit to construct and license to operate. Another one is the letter from Mr. Roberto Rama requested for the reaffirmation of Sangguniang Bayan Resolution number 2018-210 for the application of development permit for his proposed gasoline station located at Tigaplan, Barangay Barang-Barang, Point Palawan. In this matter, Madam Chairman, I seek the support of my dear colleagues to treat these two measures as urgent.
Here's your request for urgency. Any objections? None. We now proceed. Councilor Rodriguez.
May I proceed, Madam Chair, for the approval?
Yes.
Okay po. By omnibus approval, I move that the two resolutions be approved and adopted on its second and final. Yung gasoline station po is located at Tigaplan, Barangay Barang-Barang, Point Palawan. It was actually reaffirmation lang po. Na-i-release na po yung kanilang Sangguniang Bayan Resolution way back 2018, panahon pa po ni SP Bong Peranis nung siya po ay chairman. Pero yun nga lang po, hindi po nila nagamit on any transactions yung kanilang resolution. So may pinapa-affirm po.
Second. Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve this two resolutions. One is for the construction of basic obstetric and newborn care facility in Barangay Ipilan, and another one, a resolution reaffirming Sangguniang Bayan Resolution number 2018-210 for the application of development permit for a proposed gasoline station located at Sitio Tigaplan, Barangay Barang-Barang. These two measures are approved in second and final reading.
Thank you po.
Next, sharing your president.
Thank you, Madam Chair. A pleasant morning to my colleagues. I have here requests for accreditation of Yonsho General Hospital Toda and Sagrado Toda. And I have here with me the requirements that we have submitted. And I move for an omnibus motion for the accreditation of Yonsho General Hospital Toda and Sagrado Toda. I so move, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, is a request from our local chief executive for an authority to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Cableton Drug Testing Center for the implementation of the mandated testing procedures in reference to Municipal Ordinance number 2024-09. The Sangguniang Bayan has approved an ordinance for a drug-free workplace last year, Madam Chair, and the local chief executive has already executed an executive order number 44 providing for the establishment and implementation of drug-free workplace policy program for the municipality of Luzon, Palawan. Nakadetalya na po dito kung ano yung mga susundan ng mga proseso, ganun din kung paano magdedetermine ng frequency ng drug testing at kung sino-sino po ang mga pauuna na mag-undergo po ng mandatory drug testing at ganun din kung ano ang magiging aksyon ng lokal na pamahalaan kapag meron man pong nag-positibo sa drug testing. At kinakailangan po ng memorandum of agreement sa isa pong drug testing center at ito po ay ang Cableton Drug Testing Center. And I have here the copy of the MOA and here is stated the obligations and responsibilities of both parties, Madam Chair. I am now ready for the interpretation.
Councilor Rodriguez.
Madam Chair, I move to close the period of interpretation.
I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Cableton Drug Testing Center for the implementation of the mandated testing procedure in reference to Municipal Ordinance number 2024-09.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a MOA with a drug testing
Cableton Drug Testing Center, Madam Chair.
center.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Say like second and final. Councilor Pili.
Madam Chair, I have a copy of the letter from our municipal mayor. This is dated March 31. Tagal na po sa presiding since considering na marami rin pong consecutive na weeks na wala pa tayong session, kaya po hindi po ito na actionan kaagad. This is about the letter respectfully endorsing the ATA's request from Trudy Ambatal as a requirement in securing wildlife special use permit of his live fish business, Madam Presiding. That's in his request, Madam Presiding Officer, is the barangay clearance issued by the barangay employees, as well as the resolution approving the request of Honorable Ambatal for the endorsement of barangay council of the barangay for renewal of his license. So the presiding ito po ay hindi po bagong aplikasyon, ito ay renewal lamang. No? At aking pong hinihiling na sa pamasamaan na ito po ay ating pong talakayin at endorsement o parang endorsement for renewal of license of this accreditation of Palawan Council for Sustainable Development Office to continuing live fish trading, aging, and acquiring traders of marine products permitted by law and ordinances of the Republic of the Philippines.
Di ba yan dito sa number 5, yung secure wildlife specialist permit?
I think yan na po yan. Yes. Pero yung binasa ko po ay binasi ko lang po sa resolution forwarded by the Barangay Council of the Philippines.
This is letter from the municipal mayor, pero yung ito ay for wildlife specialist permit.
The same tulad ng design, pinaward lang po, meron na po attached sa cover letter ng municipal mayor with regards po dito sa resolution ito requesting the Sangguniang Bayan to endorse the application for renewal ng wildlife species permit ng kukunin na ang kadahilanan na Pulong Barangay ang Buriang Batay. So, Madam Presiding Officer, with that, we also request the support of my colleagues to approve this measure for seeking a final reading into this regular session.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we approve the request of Barangay Captain Abdul Ambatal for Sangguniang Bayan endorsement, which is a requirement for securing a wildlife specialist permit from the PCSD.
Thank you, Madam Presiding. May take part.
Next, unassigned. No more. Resolutions and ordinances for third reading. Number 10. Check.
Item under third reading or number 1, ordinance number 2025-021, an ordinance establishing the municipal multi-sectoral quick response monitoring committee and providing funds thereof, sponsored by Councilor Jordan Media.
Any items in the heads of those who are in favor of this ordinance establishing the municipal multi-sectoral quick response monitoring committee and providing funds thereof?
Number 2, ordinance number 2025-022, an ordinance amending ordinance number 2023-41 for the inclusion of child development workers and increase of teachers' day incentive benefit from 1,000 to 2,000 pesos per private and public school teacher at all levels in the municipality of Hotspot, authored by Councilor Sara Davis Howard.